Yogesh Sharma of class 11 of Sneh International School is going to present my model on carbon footprints, a comparison between Bhutan and China. So today I am going to tell you how Bhutan became the one and only country in the world which is carbon negative, and whereas on the other hand China is producing so much carbon dioxide due to their day-to-day activities. So, we all know that Bhutan is a top travel destination with beautiful mountains, sceneries, bridges, rivers, and many more. Despite this fact, not many people visit this country. Why is this so? This is because the government of Bhutan has put some measures in place that prohibits many foreign visitors to visit their country at same time. It states that you can visit their country in pairs of two or alone, not more than that or in a group. So, what is the meaning of carbon negative? As I told you that Bhutan is a carbon negative country. So, carbon negative country means that Bhutan produces less carbon dioxide than the trees present in that country absorbs. So, for example, Bhutan produces only 1 million tons of CO2 annually, whereas the trees present in Bhutan absorbs can have the uh, possibility to absorb more than 7 million tons of carbon dioxide annually. That is, there is a carbon sink and it is a carbon negative country. Whereas you can see that China is full of factories and homes producing goods to make the life of the people more comfortable. They are not caring about the environment. They are only interested in their own benefit, which is causing many harmful effects to the earth. For example, due to increasing carbon footprints, the holes in the ozone layer are increasing day by day, which are causing ultraviolet rays to reach the earth, which are very harmful to the human beings. Now, if you ask what Bhutan has done to make its country a carbon negative country, so first of all, the government of Bhutan has clearly stated that more than 70% of the area under Bhutan should be covered in forests, and now 75% of the area in Bhutan is covered under forests. It is a great achievement as people are very concerned for the environment. They want to progress with the environment. But if we look in the scenario of in the country China, we can see that only a few percentage of area is covered in trees. Second, the government of Bhutan has placed a ban on the log exports, which states that deforestation and illegal poaching of animals is banned. Also, they are they are promoting GNH, which is gross national happiness, than GDP. So there are many measures which Bhutan has taken that has resulted in the decrease of their emissions of carbon footprints. But on the other hand, as I said, China is producing around 986 million tons of CO2 annually. And it is a fact that if each person on this earth produces as much carbon dioxide as an average Chinese, then we would need 4 earths to, to absorb them. So we know what we have to do. We have to plant more and more trees, promote afforestation. We should care for the environment. We should grow with the environment and we should develop with the environment. At last, I would like you to request you to please see my model.